I found some steel at the place that I went to, and it's just pretty awesome because you never know what you're going to find in a trash can. The place I was delivering to makes swamp coolers, and apparently the last piece of steel that's on their pallet, it's a little bit warped or whatever, and they can't use it for their finished product, so they get rid of it. And there was 3 sheets of steel. All right, look at this. That's why you always have your catwalk. You always keep a strap with you. This is, I'm really not sure exactly what gauge steel this is. It is fairly thick. I want to say, what, less than a 1/16, maybe a little over a 1/16 of an inch. And this is a little bit thinner, easier to bend than this is. But that's what, it's like 3 foot by 5 foot, and this one's like 2 foot by 4 foot. But hell yeah, this kind of stuff, this is the kind of stuff that can be used for doing your body drop, for finishing off your truck bed, for making a box to put stuff in. There's so many different uses for this type of steel. And when you find this kind of steel, just freaking pick it up, bring it to your house, stack it up with the rest of your stuff. And, you know, eventually you've got more stuff than you need to build a whole mini truck. For doing firewall tubs, I've got those barrels, and those barrels are going to be perfect for doing firewall tubs. So yeah, always do that. But anyway, I'm in between runs right now. I'm only here at the house for about 30 to 45 minutes, and I got to get out of here. So I want to get this steel off the truck. I want to take a shower and then head to Kansas City and then be back this weekend. All right, that's the smaller of the 2 sheets, or 3 sheets. That way you can see it's about the same width, a little longer than the back of the golf cart there. I got to do an oil change on this thing and get it cleaned up before the season starts. And here's the other ones. Yeah, they're just as big as that table right there. I mean, I could actually use one of those as a tabletop cover for being able to weld on top of there, whatnot. A partial welding table. Huh. Maybe, maybe not. We'll figure that out. God, I really need to get on that this weekend. All right. Whew. The big truck takes up the whole freaking... It's bigger than the camper. God, the camper looks tiny compared to the truck. All right. All right, so it has been literally a go, go, go kind of a week. I haven't had a real chance. In fact, I missed being able to upload this last night on Wednesday. I just get ahead of myself and I end up forgetting. I'm not used to putting out a video on a Wednesday, so it's taking me a little bit to get used to that fact. Got a lot going on this weekend. I'm on my way home now. I should be home by either late tonight or first thing in the morning. Then I can start getting the food prepped for Saturday. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of people going to be showing up, but there's some people going to be showing up. Doesn't matter to me. The food, whatever's left, can get put into the freezer and we can eat it later. I'm not worried about it. But for the people that are going to be coming, I'm excited. We're going to have a good time, eat some street tacos, and get a little bit of shop talk or whatever in there, and bullshit around. So with that being said, I mean, that's pretty much it. Gonna try to get some work done this weekend to the Ranger. I need to start building the cross members badly. That is the #1 thing. I got yard work I got to do too, but on the Ranger cross members, I'd like to get all of those done. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 pieces that I need to fabricate for the cross members to be able to be welded in. So if I can get those done this weekend, I would be freaking ecstatic. But it's gonna be one of those weekends where it's go, 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 go. Trying to work out what time I'm gonna be back, what order everything's gonna be done in, what food is gonna be prepped for when, and just everything. Yeah, I've got a whole lot on my brain. That's it. That's it. I don't even know what else to say. I've got I've got a lot on my brain, but it's not coming to me very easily right now. So subscribe. We got more mini truck videos, more vlog videos, over the road videos when I get a chance. Oh, that's a freaking Lord single cab Toyota with a camper shell on it. It looked like it was just static though. Wish I could have taken a picture of it. Anyway, follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. Those are the two I mainly get on. Try to upload something each day. Snapchat, it's pretty much out here on the road. You get to see places that I'm going, places that I've scenery pictures and whatnot, bridges. I like taking a lot of pictures like that out here on the road. So we'll see you guys this weekend. I'm going to try to film as much as I can this weekend, keep my battery charged, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Later.